Greetings Instagrammers, welcome to my tutorial on how to check to see if your Instagram hashtags are banned or not. And to easily check your Instagram hashtags, this is a free tool at 4ppo.com, and I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check it out. Once you're here on this page, all you have to do is paste in whatever hashtags you want to use, and this part is optional. You don't even have to enter a list of your hashtags if you don't want to, and then simply click on check ban hashtags, and the results will be displayed down here. There are currently over 1,300 banned tags you want to avoid, and the last updated list of these banned tags are today. And here are the banned hashtags from your input. So these were the ones in this example that I was using, and these are the banned hashtags you definitely don't want to use. And here are the input of your hashtags with the banned hashtags already removed. So these are clean hashtags for you to use in your post without getting into trouble. And then down here are the current banned hashtag for Instagram with the latest hashtags you want to avoid. And again, you can easily check right here. Just copy and paste in your Instagram hashtags to quickly check each time before you make a new post. So check it out. I'll leave the links down below. Thanks so much for viewing, and happy Instagramming.